We're at the Data Expo in Jaarbeurs Utrecht, and I'm speaking with Samuel Nagy, Vice President of Strategic Growth with Dawiso. Samuel, Dawiso is a new product for the Dutch marketplace. Could you explain your role within the company and the product?
Yeah, of course. So Dawiso originally emerged in Prague, Czech Republic. I'm the VP of Strategic Growth there. We are now expanding all over Europe. We are a data cataloging and data governance solution competing with some of the big players in the market, such as Colibra and Elation. Colibra we are very familiar with here in the Netherlands. And yeah, we are taking a little bit different approach. We have a different pricing, and we feel that we can really do some good things here especially with the municipalities and smaller companies that need data catalogs but are not able to afford the established big players.
And what's the proposition, and how does your product fit in the existing data landscape?
So, as with any good data cataloging solution, we start with the technical metadata, scanning all the databases, all the reporting solutions. We have connectors to most of the common technologies. I've seen many of our partners here at the Expo. And yeah, then we build business glossaries. Our clients can define terms, they can connect it to different solutions. We can also work with data products. We build data lineages. We have our parsing solution to get data lineages even from solutions that don't offer them directly. And now, with the emergence of AI and the need to build data chatbots and agentic AI engineers and everything, we are shifting a lot towards building a map of your data landscape for AI. So the AI can understand if someone asks you the question, it can understand where to go, how to understand the question, what data to use, and all of these things directly.
And how do you work with AI within your customers?
Yeah, so once we have this map built and configured, we can do it pretty quickly actually. We have some tools that enable the creation of this map within weeks rather than months or years as with the established companies. And then we have something called the MCP server, so Model Context Protocol. It's a pretty new technology introduced by Anthropic in November last year. So through this MCP server, different types of AI agents or different types of AI chatbots can connect directly to the metadatabase in Dawiso and search for business terms, search for data assets, and use that knowledge to then go into the respective databases, search for the data, and then create an answer for the user that is really relevant for what they ask for, rather than just using a generic approach where it just uses knowledge of the internet. Because then what we oftentimes see within our clients is that if they use this approach, the responses are very mediocre, they are very generic, and it does not fit the specific business use case or the question that the user was asking. So we are trying to resolve this problem with the internal chatbots and AI use cases within our clients.
And your VP Strategic Growth, what will be your approach, your market strategy in the Benelux?
Yeah, so for the Benelux, as with most of the European countries, we are using a combined approach. We are mostly going with our partners. Systemation here in the Netherlands is our main partner. They are a great company, very experienced in the data space. They have great contacts, very trustworthy and genuine people. And they are our partners, so they are promoting Dawiso, working with Dawiso. They know the technology very well too, so they can implement it for our clients. We are doing some direct marketing and direct sales as well, but the partner offering is our main way into the Netherlands market. So if anyone is interested, reach out to Systemation.
And are there any client cases, use cases that you already can share with us?
Yeah, we have many clients, mostly in Central Europe. We are already implementing the solution also in the Netherlands, but those are all under NDA so far. But in Central Europe, in Czech Republic, we have many clients. For example, one called Kooperativa. It's a huge insurance company where they decided that Dawiso is, they call it data portal, and it's the first place to go when anyone is doing anything with data. So if business users are looking for data, they go to Dawiso. If data analysts are looking for where to get data for their new report, they do go into Dawiso. And they've also expanded into modeling their new core system within Dawiso. So they are documenting all of the new developments inside that platform as well, which is great to see because it really extends the use cases that we can do.
Well, Samuel, thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you so much.